I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Now here search and select Zoho Sheet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name, select a respective data center. Now for client ID and client secret. Please visit Zoho API console. Click on Get Start. Choose Server Base Application. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URI form authorization page. Now click on Create. You can see client ID and client secret. Copy this and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Accept. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select Workbook. Select Worksheet. Now map the respective fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Zoho Sheet. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the Zoho Sheet. Here is the data that came into Zoho Sheet through the integration. Thanks for watching.